Are you looking for a way how to add line graphs in your Google slide presentation? Let me show you how to quickly add one. Right, so all you have to do is just open up your Google slide presentation, find a page that you want to actually add it on, and then click and insert from the many options and go down to where it says charts. Right here you have line. You don't want to use this line because this one line option here is just to create a line. But if you want the line chart or the line graph, go to where it says charts and choose the line option, and here you will be it will quickly create a line graph or a line chart for you, and you can work it from here. So in order to make changes here, just simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side and open the source. It's going to open up Google Sheets, and you can just make the changes to this as you wish. Right, so as you can see here, you have the graph data here. You can always move the graph one side to a separate side. Just simply click on it and move it towards the right or below, so you have more space. And yeah, you can change the values as you wish, or you can just go ahead and even add more to it. So let's say I want to add not 4, but I want to add 8. I can go ahead and I can add more, and I can change these. So this would be, for example, 5, and this will be 6. Of course, let's go ahead and make changes to the rest. And yeah, we will make some number changes as well. So the number can be whatever. So I'm going to change this to, I don't know, 7. And this one, we can change this to 60. And this, we will change this to, I don't know, 25. This one we will change to 14. This one, let's change this to, I don't know, 100. And you get the general idea, right? Let's make some random numbers. No, this one's going to be too long, so let's make it 30, and we leave that as 12. So as you can see here, I make some changes here. In case you want to make changes to the colors, you can always do so. And how you do it, just simply right click on it, and you'll have the option to edit the style. You can say chart style, or you can double click on anyone and you'll have the option to change those colors. So let's say I want to change this, I can double click on it or click on it, and it's going to open up the side. And here you can see line color. We can change this to maybe something different. Yeah, let's do that. And this one, we click on this one, and we can change this line color to maybe something a bit darker. So that's how you can easily do it. Now once you're satisfied, guys, you can always go back. Let's change this name and just type, I don't know, ABC as an example. Let's say that's it. And yeah, once you're ready, go back to your presentation. You'll have the option to update it so that the changes become effective. Click on update, and in a second or so you'll see the changes appear. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.